In this project we will be needing a beep alarm speaker, a micro switch, and a dual AA battery holder. Put the micro switch and the beep alarm speaker on the top. In the micro switch, we have common, normally open contact and normally closed contact. We will be using the common and the normally closed contact. These two are in contact, but when the lever switch pulled down, it will break the contact. Let's put the negative black wire in the common. And the positive red wire in the positive terminal of the speaker. And the negative terminal of the speaker to the normally closed contact. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe, see you in my next video. Baubush.